When use the spindless veneer peeling machine, peeling big diameter log, first several veneers thickness thin. I'll analyze and summarize this problem. The main aspects are as follows. 1. The peeling knife cannot be installed too high. The knife is too high, the cutting angle for peeling wood is inappropriate. 2. Knife slope is too short, knife angle is too large. It will rub against the wood, causing an increase in current, feed speed slows down, the skin becomes thinner. 3. The gap cannot be too small. 4. The single roller pressure should not be too high. 5. Power not okay. If roller's motor or feeding motor not big enough also affect the work. Our peeling machine we use for 7.5Q for rollers and 11 kilowatt servo motor for feeding. 6. Keep the knife grinding. If the knife is not sharp, it will also cause the machine to cut hard. The above is my analysis of the situation. Share with everyone. Welcome.